All right, guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID. I did cover this name back here when it was downgraded by, I think it was Morgan Stanley, with a $12 target price. And look at this rally. Today it's up 8%, 3 consecutive days of a gain. Well, today it's Friday, market is still open, and stock pretty much after this initial, so pretty much it did gap overnight, and in the morning it pushed, so now stock is sitting at that VWAP pretty much. So we still have a couple more hours, as I said, 2 more hours, but let's have a look. So I'm gonna pull up the yearly chart, and on a yearly chart we'll take a look at the support resistance levels I'm watching, and also what's going on with the moving averages, what's going on with the MACD, momentum, all that good stuff. So this is a yearly chart of Lucid. Okay, all-time highs. Of course, it was cciv back then, but still they merged, and the chart is what we have. So this is a yearly chart, but every single candle here represents 1 month of price action. So what I want to note here is that the volume. September is not over yet. Okay, we still have 2 more weeks. But what I like here is that the volume it is trading with, this upside move, pretty much almost 470 million at the moment, 470, versus past 6 months, it didn't even get close to that number. So the highest number for the last 6 months was I think 350 million right there. So since March of this year, it hasn't traded with this much volume, and we still have 2 more weeks. So to me, it seems like, okay, maybe people are accumulating shares here, okay? But again, it's not, I'm just speculating here. But what I like here is that the volume, so you can look at it that way. So every candle here, right here at the bottom, this is a volume bars. You can see definitely much higher, and stock is moving higher with it. So, and also if you look at it from last month, we pretty much, I was mentioning that, okay, so if this stock gets below 20 and closes at those levels this month, that would be really not good looking chart going into October. But reversing, and if we go back to daily chart, you can see this $20 level was crucial, and then above this 22 was resistance, and now above 22 I will be watching this $25 level as a resistance right here. So but if this stock reverses, and if it does pull back from here, then I would watch this 22 as a support. Okay, and to the upside, yes, pretty sharp move to the upside. So if it does take break, maybe chops around, that's fine. And above 25, I will be watching this $28 supply levels. So these are the resistances I'm watching for the stock. And what about the MACD? Let's have a look at the MACD. I think it did reverse right here. That was a bullish crossover, and below zero, both MACD line and signal line, but it's improving. Let's see how far this momentum is going to take this name. But so far, still below zero. I mean, we can say that the trend changed here because stock is not making lower highs anymore. If you draw a downtrend right here, you can say, okay, so this stock is not making lower highs anymore. It did break out. So short term, that was the bottom. Okay, and also, what about the moving averages? So the moving averages here looks like stock today got above 50-day, 200-day moving average, and yesterday it got above 20-day. So this red line on my screen represents the 200-day, purple line 100-day, and the 50-day is this yellow line right here. So today, if we close above, that's really good. And also options. So I will just take a look at the total volume. Okay, we still have like 1.5 hours until market close. 421,000 calls were traded, 111,000 puts were traded. So pretty clear that there are more call activity than the puts. But what about the biggest orders, what people are betting on? So I'm seeing $30 call for October, 24 call next year, 25 call for October, October 26 call, 25. So there are a lot of calls for October, and there are a lot of puts as well for September. Maybe November has some 25 strikes. October 22nd seems like pretty decent active strike price and the expiration date, but pretty bullish to me. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. I want to just wrap it here. If there's anything, we'll definitely cover it next week. So for the rest of September, I hope it was entertaining or helpful. I will see you in the next